Understanding trend lines is absolutely essential for trading in any market, but without the right approach, it can also lead to confusion and missed opportunities. As a new trader, how do you master the art of trendline trading? Having navigated this myself, I've learned the key principles that make all the difference. Now let's dive into 3 useful strategies for trendline trading. First, let's understand what makes a good trend line. It's not just about drawing lines randomly on a chart. Here's how to do it right. 1. Find a clear starting point. This could be a price extreme like a bottom or a peak, or some recent noticeable shift in price. 2. Zoom out to see at least 60 candles. This gives you a better view of the overall trend, whether you're looking at short or long-term charts. 3. Connect the points. For an uptrend, link the major higher lows. For a downtrend, connect the lower highs. The ideal trend line will connect at least 2 more points apart from the starting point. And here's a tip. When drawing trend lines, you have 2 options. Use the candle wicks or the candle bodies. If the first candle has a wick, use wicks for all your trend lines. If it doesn't, use the bodies. But stick to one method for one trend line. Now let's dive into 3 useful strategies for trend line trading. Strategy 1. Trend trading off a trend line. This is a basic but effective strategy. Look for times when the price tries to break out and fails. After this, look for a point from where the market reverses. Draw your trend line connecting the next high or low. Now take your trades in the direction of the new trend with the failed breakout level as a stop loss. Follow the trend until it clearly changes. This works well because many automated trading systems follow the same patterns, so the trend will continue until the pattern stops working. Strategy 2. Trendline break and retest. This strategy is all about catching a new trend early, and here's how it works. Wait for the trend line to break. Watch for the price to move through and go beyond your trend line. Let it retest. After the break, see if the price comes back and touches the trend line again from the other side. This is called a retest. And then you take your trade. Once you see this retest, you can jump in and make a trade aiming to profit from the start of the new trend. Think of it like catching a quick move in a new direction right after the trend changes. Strategy 3. Anchored VWAP as a trend line. This strategy uses volume-weighted average price to help you trade, and here's how it works. VWAP combines both price and volume. It gives you an average price of a stock over a period of time, weighted by the amount of trading. Now you use VWAP as a trend line. When the price hits the VWAP line, it can act like a support level or a resistance level. Look for bounces. If the price bounces off this VWAP line, it signals a good trading opportunity. This is especially useful on days when there's a lot of news or big price changes, as it helps you see when the trend might shift. Exit strategies. Half and trail. When it comes to closing your trades, use the half and trail method, and here's how it works. Take profits on half your position. When your trade has made a good move and you're in profit, sell half of your shares or contracts. This locks in some gains. And then trail the rest with the trend line. For the remaining half, use the trend line to guide your exit. This means you follow the trend line to see when to sell the rest of your position. This way you can keep benefiting if the price continues to move in your favor. Important points to remember. Trend lines work best in active markets. Avoid using them on illiquid stocks. Trend lines shouldn't be the only tool you use. While they provide valuable insights, they are not foolproof. They should be used in conjunction with other tools and market factors. And 3, be flexible with your strategy. The market is always changing, so be ready to adapt as conditions change. This will help you handle both predictable patterns and unexpected moves with more confidence.